Missouri is having a vaccine lottery. 900 people will win $10,000.
In the first 24 hours, more than 116,000 people put their name in the drawing. Now, most of them were vaccinated before yesterday's announcement.
Tonight, the idea is facing some criticism, though. KCTV5's Betsy Webster joins us live now. Betsy, what is wrong with giving away some cash?
Well, there are concerns about whether it's a good use of taxpayer dollars, whether it's really going to be effective at what it's trying to do, and whether some of those specific rules are fair. And today, the acting director of the State Health Department responded to some of that. The people we met at Luce Park today had a generally positive response to the plan.
I think it's good in a way because it kind of encourages people.
Better late than never.
But away from this oasis on social media, there are plenty of naysayers. How about spending that money on feeding the poor, one person wrote. Not like the state needs that money for anything useful, like roads, wrote another.
There are a lot of other things the state spends money on that are questionable.
I think it's one of the better uses of taxpayer money is to incentivize people to finally get life back on track.
Many angrily called it a government bribe. Even more doubted it would work to get new folks on board. Many of the anti-vaxxers are dug in, someone remarked. It will probably just strengthen their resolve to not have anything to do with it, another added. One KC native visiting from California said the incentive there didn't change his mind.
I just have my own personal reasons why I don't want to get it, and money wasn't going to change it.
Then there are the specifics. The drawings every 2 weeks are separated into 3 pots: youth, the people already vaccinated, and those newly vaccinated, and they're divided by congressional district. This is like working for a company for 10 years and the new hires are making the same amount of money, one already vaccinated man remarked. Seems to give an advantage to the congressional districts with more cows than people, another snarkily griped. The State Health Department's acting director responded.
Obviously, the chances of success are in those rural areas are greater, and we hope that that's an inducement for for individuals in those more vaccine hesitant areas, more of a chance that folks will know someone perhaps who won.
I think thinking outside the box is always to be commended. I did not get vaccinated for a prize. I got vaccinated for myself and my family and my community.
Now, one other challenge is just getting the word out. We talked to more than just those 5 people you saw. We talked to lots of people who didn't want to talk on camera because they didn't know anything about this. I'd say overall, only about 1 in 10 of the people we approached had heard about it. Live in Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.